Yep, that's it alright. Undertale lasts 27 hours. I boss him. I was gonna do this a while ago, but you know, I got lazy. So, yeah, we're here now though, so yeah. This is really loud in my ears. Credits. No, wait, I know better than to press credits before anything else. Settings. Volume, debug mode, easy mode, effects, language. I don't speak that language. Effects. High intensity special effects have been turned on. A large number of special effects will appear in this mode, so please turn it on with caution. Special. Oh, that just completely turns it off. Take my chances. I'm gonna try this without easy mode. Also, this menu theme is pretty good. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Pretty chill. Nice. It's intimidating. Phase 1, skip intro. Nah. Mostly because, you know, I don't know. I don't know what happens yet. Why do I look like that? It's Sans. It's Sandman. Whoa. Bro, what is this? What is this intro? Game by Boston, game text. Have fun. I will. The sound of water dripping. It's like tapping the soul, but it's not strong enough. Everything should come to light. About the two races, about destiny, about your and my death. Wait, I wasn't ready. Oh, ow. Good thing there's iframes. Okay, we don't have much time. Kill him as soon as possible. There are 19 hours left. Bro, what is this theme? This is sick. I could probably find it. Check. Attack 3, Defense 2, the easiest enemy. Item. Bandage. On the wound. It feels less painful. Oh. Bro, why do I move so slow? Oh, that wasn't that bad. Oh, boom. Oh, block. To be honest, do you really have no remorse? After I killed my brother, I always remember his wish. As long as I defeat you, I can fulfill his wish. Sans, come on, buddy. Oh. Bro, can I have like more than 2 seconds to react? Jesus Christ. Give me another bandage. Thank you. Let's see. I'll just fight again. Those messy things these humans do, all for selfish desires. I have met several kind-hearted human beings. Where have they all gone? Yeah, they don't exist anymore. Oh, I don't like that. Bro, chill out. Well, I was really lucky. Hey. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Actually, oh no. Okay, that was kind of close. Sandwich. Ate the sandwich, and it tastes great. Incredible. Okay, yeah, I know, we don't have time. There's only 19 hours left. You also know that the nuclear bomb will come in 27 hours. No town became Blood Town. Is this what you want? Well, no. Probably. That answer reassuring? Bro, relentless, I swear. I don't know. I know. Don't eat boss him. I know that much. RMF. Oh, I ate the AU off there. My bad. I was kind of hungry. All right. Boom. Block. I saw a hint of grievance in your eyes. What are your grievances about? Oh, you bastard. You don't know what disgusting things you did.
Oh, wait, no, I wasn't ready. Bro.
God, chill.
What the?
Whoa. Yo, chill. Not that serious, bro. Give me some ham. Pure meat. Alright, easy peasy. I just realized we're only level 3. I mean, I knew the, like, lack of HP, but it's level 3, okay. I'll never forget it until I die. For the sake of merit, you reported our coordinates to your superiors. Let the monsters become what they are today. You don't even deserve to go to hell. Yo, why'd the music get, like, kinda calm?
What do I even do here?
I'm really glad the iframes are as long as they are. What's he doing with Papyrus' skull? Uh-oh. Oh, I knew he was gonna do something like that. Why did it come back twice? Okay, that was kinda cool. Not gonna lie. Oh no. And it was a little burnt. That's fine. It's okay. We're not picky. Oh, no time wasted. I can already see the panic in your eyes. You're scared, terrified, and want to run away, right? Look at what's next to me. Your ending will be like this. No, I don't want to have my head, well, impaled. I should probably try and dodge those. That might help my case just a little bit. Oh. Oh, that was not cool. Not cool, man. Not cool. No. I swear, this goober. Bro, only 10? What am I supposed to do with that? Okay, yeah, no, we need another heal. Oh, I knew it. No! Oh, man. Dear determination, return to the ground. Cancel the nuclear bomb order. Or go back and die again. Make what you think is the wisest choice. I'm gonna, yeah. I'm just gonna come back. Settings. Maybe it was the high special effects. Let me see how it changes without the special effects. Skip intro. Bro, okay, nothing changed. I can probably turn the special effects back on. I might have to put this in easy mode. Okay, yeah, I might have to put this in easy mode. You know, let me try one more time without easy mode. Just one more time. Also, I'm turning this back on. It looked cooler. One more time without easy mode. Oh, bro. That was harder than, like, an actual attack. I went way too quick. Oh my god, guys, I'm actually gaming right now. I actually just gamed. Okay, yep. I don't need to heal, I don't need to. You can't make me. I'm ashamed of you for holding on till now. But I must let you die here. Oh, my bad. No, wait. Ah. Wait. Yo, wait. Oh, wait. Chill. Bye. Haha. Have pie.
You did not appreciate that.
Ah! Oh my god. Sans, die. Ugh. Determination, 6 souls, barrier, massacre, LV. You know, my plan was perfect. Yeah, it was a great plan. Absolutely phenomenal. So good that I have to stop you from doing it. Ah! No thank you. No thank you. no, thank you. I'm actually good. I'm actually good. No, absolutely not. Yep, sorry, had to eat the rider. Bro, can you chill? Thank you, I appreciate it. Oh my god, I'm tired enough, so be wise and go to die. No idea how I didn't get hit by that. Oh, what? Fudge.
Bro, what is this? Bro, what is this? Bro, chill out.
My lord. We don't have items. That's what we don't have. Oh, there are 18 hours left. That went down. Can I like get a heal? Oh, I'm gonna die here. I can't read that dialogue. You guys read it. Get ready. No. I got to the last attack. That has to have been the last attack. There's no way it wasn't. He was monologuing while attacking me. That has to have been it. Oh my god. Well, now I'm left with the choice. Do I go and try to beat it without easy mode? Or do I just do easy mode and and then just beat it like that? So, I mean, if I did that without easy mode's gonna make it, like, easy. Yeah, I'll try again without easy mode. Uh-oh. 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 That was so cheap. Bro, I couldn't dodge that. That was so cheap. Ah, you know what? I'm salty. I'm salty about that. I'm salty about that. No, I won't do it. I really want to, though. I hate you. Oh, I'm so mad I can't even click properly. Good thing I have the oh-so-convenient excuse of the effects are distracting me. Bro, nah, that should not have hit me. Nah. Like, bro, what am I supposed to do? That's not... Okay, yeah, easy mode it is. That's stupid. That's stupid. That's actually dumb. Bro, you cannot expect me to do that. Unless I play this game for like the next 5 hours, I'm not gonna get past that. Oh my god. Alright, pretty sure this is it now. So, yeah. I imagine I'll still have to try for this. So... I can't really... Okay, yeah, no, it's gonna, like, heavily cost me to read the dialogue right now. Ow, a heads up would have been nice. Oh, he's doing this frickin' swingy thing. Oh, what the? Oh, it's a spiral. Oh, that lost 8 HP. Bro, easy mode is too easy. And then normal is too hard. Thought I was gonna have to at least try on that. Sorry, I didn't do it. Dang, tragic. There are 16 hours left. Wait, something's wrong. Dang, talk about spamming. Yeah, he's gone. He said he's out. Sam's ran away. Yeah, that's what happened, alright. Undertale, last 27 hours. Thanks for playing. Yeah, that was fun. That was pretty cool. Game by Bossum, Undertale by Toby Fox. Last 27 hours by Rubik's Cube Dash SMF. Sands and Papyrus Sprite by Bossum, which looked really good, might I add. Intro Sands and Car Sprite by Team Zero. GB Sprite by Salterum. Button Sprite by Hanch66. Menu Game Over Music by Pink Cat. Fight Music by GSL _23. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. We've seen these in every other one. All game production by Bossum. Button display by Lucas Bro. Yeah. Some attacks engine by Bossum. Frame program by Sharon. Yeah. Well, that was pretty fun. Text provided. Game text provided. Yeah. That was fun. That was fun. Definitely not as hard as the other ones. Which I appreciate. You know, just a fun game every now and then is nice. Not to say those weren't fun, but they're really difficult. This was at least, you know, I mean, easy mode was too easy. Yeah. So yeah, last 27 hours exposed lies. That was pretty fun. That was pretty cool. Yeah, I enjoyed myself. That was fun. So, yeah, that's all for this. I actually didn't have any idea what what Undertale the last 27 hours was until I saw that Boston was making this game, and I was like, maybe I should figure out what this is. So yeah, it's interesting to put it lightly. But yeah, still that was fun. That was fun. Uh, yeah, I don't really think there's a lot more to say. Yeah. Um, so with that said, thank you guys for watching. Insert generic outro here, and I will see you all in the next one. Later.